Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe that can feed a whole family for about $2 a serving. This southern swamp soup is the comfort food you didn't know you needed. For this recipe, you'll need smoked sausage, carrots, celery, onion, red bell pepper, potatoes, garlic, hot sauce, chicken broth, ditalini pasta, chicken bouillon powder, Cajun seasoning, canned hoppin, canned fire roasted tomatoes, canned corn, canned great northern beans, canned collard greens, canned mixed greens, and water. Begin by slicing the vegetables and sausage. Set the potatoes aside in a bowl of cold water to retain the color. Heat a stock pot over medium-high heat, add some olive oil, and then saute the onion, bell pepper, celery, carrot, and sausage mixture until the vegetables have softened and the sausage starts to brown around the edges. Next, add the garlic and stir to thoroughly incorporate. Now, add the Cajun seasoning and the chicken bouillon powder, stirring to coat the vegetables and the sausage. Add the drained canned corn, followed by the hot sauce, hoppin, fire roasted tomatoes, and chicken stock. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Pour in the drained and rinsed great northern beans along with the cans of collard greens and mixed greens, stirring everything for even distribution. Now pour in the water and then stir in the ditalini pasta and the potatoes. Cover, bring to a boil, reduce the heat, and simmer until the pasta is al dente and the potatoes are cooked through, or until you're ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your southern swamp soup turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.